Today we are going to discuss about national symbols. What is the national bird of India? We are going to discuss very good. Peacock is our national bird. You have to find in 1963 the peacock was declared the national bird carefully, and I will ask questions. How do you feel to see in these pictures? National symbols. Okay, whether anyone asks questions about national symbols? Do you think about national symbols? Why peacock is national bird and tiger is national animal and lotus is a national flower? Why chosen particularly? Today we are going to discuss about national symbols. What is the national bird of India? Peacock. Very good. A peacock is our national bird. In 1963, the peacock was 1963, the peacock was declared the national bird of India because of its rich religious and legendary involvement of India traditional. A peacock is a symbol of grace and beauty. Another reason why the peacock was chosen as the national bird because of its presence across the country. Next, a national bird should not be restricted to only certain location, but it should be well distributed in all over country. Peacock can be found in the whole of India. Peacock, beautiful bird of the world. Next, the peacock average weight is female weight 3.5 kg and the male weight 5 kg. The average lifespan of peacock the 5 kg. The average lifespan of peacock is 15 to. Next, let's see what is the national tree of India. Banyan tree. A banyan tree is a medicinal properties, and banyan tree are one of the largest tree in the world. 20 to 20. External life because of its ever expanding branches. The country's unity is by the tree, huge structure and its deep roots. Banyan tree has medicinal properties. Next, the banyan tree also gives. What is the national game of India? Hockey. Very good. Hockey is the national game of India. Hockey were declared as the national game. Was declared as the national game. Were declared as the national game. Was very popular in India. Won 6 consecutive gold medals. The game has both men's team and women's team in our country. India won the first gold medal in hockey. Today, hockey is the most popular played game in India. Hockey is a famous as an interesting game. You can't take eyes from the start of the game till the last minute. Hockey was introduced in India by the British. Before it, what is the national animal of India? Tiger. A tiger is the national animal of India. Why the tiger was chosen as the national animal of India? Tiger was chosen as the national animal of India due to its grace, strength, agility and power. Next, the tiger is known as the Lord of Jungle and displays India's wildlife wealth. Also, strength, agility and power are the basic aspect of the tiger. The tiger was declared as the national animal of India in April 1973. A tiger weight as 240 to 500 pounds. A tiger lifespan is 10 to 15. What is the national flower of India? Lotus. Very good. The lotus is the national flower of India. The lotus was chosen as the national flower because it enjoyed a significant presence in ancient traditions and mythology. As the Lotus remains untouched by the muddy water in which it grows. Lotus grows in an aquatic environment. Lotus pods used in a traditional herbal medicine. A lotus plant that it established can be fed every 3 to 4 weeks during the growing season. The seed should be set in warm water up to 3 inches deep, no more than that. Lotus start from seeds will probably not blooms in the first year. Lotus flower extend for hundred of kilometer apart from ornamental purpose. Each part of the lotus flower can be used in traditional medicine. Lotus leaves